Are you wondering which drawing app is better? Today, we're comparing Procreate and Adobe Fresco. Both tools are popular among artists and designers. They offer great features for creating stunning digital art, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Procreate. This app is exclusive to iPad. It's known for its intuitive interface and powerful brush engine. Artists love how responsive it feels. You can create anything from sketches to detailed paintings. Plus, it has a wide range of brushes and tools to choose from. Now, let's talk about Adobe Fresco. This app is available on both iPad and Windows devices. It's designed for artists who enjoy working with both raster and vector graphics. Fresco has a unique live brush feature that mimics real life painting techniques. It's perfect for those who want a natural painting experience. So, what are the main differences? Procreate is all about speed and simplicity. It's great for quick sketches and detailed work alike. On the other hand, Adobe Fresco offers more versatility with its vector capabilities. If you need to create scalable graphics, Fresco might be the better choice. When it comes to features, Procreate shines with its extensive brush library and customization options. Adobe Fresco stands out with its live brushes and integration with other Adobe apps. Both have their strengths depending on your needs. Pricing is another factor. Procreate is a one time purchase, while Adobe Fresco uses a subscription model. This can affect your choice if you are on a budget. In the end, if you want a fast, user friendly app for the iPad, go with Procreate. If you prefer a mix of raster and vector tools, Adobe Fresco is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.